Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 42. How to build list with free giveaway. In this video, we will see how you can build your list with a free giveaway, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on plroom.com, and on right we have this Create Free Account button and a search bar. Actually, first, go to Google and search PLR with your main niche keyword. So you'll get all these results, and from here we open the first link, that is plroom.com. Open it. Here we have articles and blog posts, below we have sample content, and on right, conditions, what we can do. You can brand it as your own, give it away or sell it, repurpose into other formats, keep 100% of the profit, no attribution or royalties, use an unlimited number of projects. Then we have usage tips. On top, we have this download button to download this product. Here it also shows credits requirement and license terms. One credit is from 40 cents to $2.20. The more credits you buy, the more you save. Again, what you can do. The name is switch on your natural fat burning machine. Now let's log into our GetResponse account. So this our GetResponse dashboard, and from here, select Create Landing Page option. So this is their landing page creator with their ready-made templates. Here we have My Templates, All Templates, General, Sign Up and Registration, Promotion, Downloads, and so many page templates. Let's select this Downloads, and from here select the template you like. Let's select this one, click on this Select Template button, then enter your landing page name. You can view the full template from here. From PLR.me, let's copy the name and paste it here and click Next. So now our template is ready. Now we can edit the text. Let's copy the full name of the product, insert it in here along with the relevant text. Next, we need to insert the product's image, again copy it from plroom.com, and paste it here on your page with your form code to capture leads. You can do more editing as per your liking, and after that, save your page. Then click on this Next Step button. From here you can return to the editor or proceed with mobile versions. Let's select the latter. Now we have SEO settings. Here enter your page title, description. You can select this if you don't want it to index in search engines. Your landing page URL, and you can add a new domain to it. Then your subscription setting, and after completion, click on this Publish button. So now you can see your landing page on this link, open it, and this is how your landing page will look like. Now, how to drive traffic to your landing page? Share your landing page link on social media and forums related to the topic, and you will receive traffic on your page. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 43. How to find related forum to promote affiliate offers. In that video, we will see how you can find related forum to promote your affiliate offers, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.